Yes, yes. We know old goats all look the same. That's why I look just like my twin brother. At least everybody tells us that's the case. We're twin old goats. How about you? Do you know any old goats? Just in case you're one of those people who thinks all cats are just cats and all friendly and lovey, you might want to pay attention to this cat sign, just in case. Them may use them. I have claws and I may use them. What the heck? I thought you were just a friendly, adorable, sweet little kitty cat. I guess you have a way. You're not just a regular cat. You're a WERECAT. Those are big horns. If I had one more horn, I could pose as a triceratops. But you need 3 horns to be a triceratops. An official survey was done of all the animals here about whether or not they liked people food. The donkey said no. The piggy said no. The cow said no. The duck said no. And the chicken said no. We don't like people food. It's yucky.